Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to add volume on TradingView. Now, to add the volume indicator on TradingView, you simply have to open your TradingView chart, and once you have your TradingView chart, right here you can see where it says indicators. So just click on that and make sure you've selected technicals. So once you select technicals, you can find the volume indicator by typing in volume in the search bar. Okay, so right here you can see there are different types of volume. However, if you're a complete beginner, then you can just choose the either this volume or the volume oscillator. And once you've chosen that, you'd see the volume right here at the bottom. You can also choose this volume that shows you, the volume of transactions happening at a specific time frame. So for example, using this, simpler volume, you can see the bearish candles show uh, a rise in the red volume bar, which shows higher bearish pressure. So this type of volume indicator just shows you, you know, the volume of transactions that are happening at a specific time frame. Okay, so that's how to add and use volume on TradingView. You can use this to determine if there is a lot of volatility and movement in the market. And I hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.